Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Notion to Claude AI. So if you want to do this, first decide for yourself if you want to use Claude AI on the web browser or on the application itself. And I'm using right here the application. So then after that, what we're going to do is we go left in the bottom, and this works exactly the same for the web browser. Click on your name or your profile icon. Then we go to settings, and then after that we click right here on connectors. Then we go right here to browse connectors, and then we search right here for Notion. There we have it, and now we click on the plus icon, and then he will send us directly right here to this Notion page. Then what you need to do right here is log in with your email address. After that, fill in your password, and then you need to give permission to Notion to use it in Claude AI. Then after that, you can use Notion in Claude AI and you are ready to work. So this is how you can connect Notion right here in Claude AI. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.